Have you ever wondered how some creators are publishing hundreds of coloring books on Amazon KDP while you still struggling to finish even one? What if I told you that I have created over 1,000 beautiful coloring books in just a few months using Dzine and a secret guide? Honestly, I wish I had discovered this method years ago. But today I'm going to share with you how these tools completely transform my creative journey. So in this video, I'm going to share how I went from 0 to 1,000 coloring books using Dzine AI, the exact niches that are absolutely crushing it right now, and why I wish I had found this system sooner. It would have saved me so much time. But first, let me tell you about the struggle that led me on the searching for this system. I was so excited to start creating, but I had no clue where to begin. And I would sit for hours trying to come up with ideas, wondering what people actually wanted to color. I'll think maybe cute cats. Then, in a second thought, I guess myself, but what if everyone is already doing cats? Maybe I should do flowers. But which flowers? Which style? It was honestly exhausting. I felt like I was throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something would stick. And then it came the actual creating part, trying to draw pages by hand or fumbling around with design software I didn't understand. It would take me days to create just one coloring page, and most of the time it didn't even look professional. I was creating in the dark, and it was so frustrating because I knew I had creativity in me. I just didn't know how to channel it effectively. That's exactly why I spent months researching and testing the system so other creators wouldn't have to the same struggle I did. So I realized there are two types of coloring book creators. Those who guess what my work and waste time creating random designs with complicated tools, and those who have AI tools like Dzine and a proven roadmap and niches that people are actively searching for and buying. Girl, the difference is like night and day. One approach leaves you overwhelmed and technically challenged, while the other gives you confidence, direction, and the power of AI to bring your ideas to life instantly. So I'm going to show you how it exactly works. And to start, the first thing that you have to do is go and click the link on my description and you can create your account completely for free. When you have created your account, it's going to look exactly like this. And the first thing that I'm going to do is just go and create from scratch my coloring book pages. And to do this, I'm just going to go and I'm going to click in the section of Home. Over here, I'm just going to go and I'm going to click in New Project. Now over here, depending on the sizing of your coloring book, you can go and choose the aspect ratio. But I'm just going to leave it on 3 by 4. And I'm going to click in Apply. Once we are in this section, I'm going to be creating first of all an text to image coloring book page, and after I will show you how you can also create coloring book pages from an image that you already have. So I'm going to start with the text to image and I'm going to click over here. As you can see over here we have the type of style that is the design general, but we're just going to change it to the one that it says line art. And as you can see, designs have a lot of styles that we can use, but I'm just going to keep it on playful outline since it's the one that I like the most. And before starting with the creation of my coloring book pages, the first thing that I would do is just go ahead and understand what is going to be about my coloring book. This is the first step that you have to take. And to do this, I'm just going to go to my top 50 evergreen niches for coloring books on Amazon KDP. Having amazing AI tools is only half of the battle. I still needed to know what to create, and that's why I decided to create something that will solve this problem once and for all. My 50 evergreen niches for coloring books guide. After months of researching and testing and analyzing what actually sells, I compiled this collection of niches that have proven staying power. And I broke them down into different categories. We have kid themes, adult relaxation, seasonal and holiday themes, and much more. But here is what it makes my guide special. Each niche comes with a specific guidance on what works and why, based on my own research and testing. And it's like having me as your creative mentor, sharing all the secrets I have discovered. I also included how to create unique combinations. So instead of just having animals, you can get mindful mandalas for stress relief or funny animal quotes. It's genius because you're taking proven concepts and mix them to get fresh and new topic ideas. So I have used my evergreen list, and from that I got a mandala with positive affirmations. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a prompt to this, which says, imagine you're an expert in coloring books and you want to generate a list of page ideas for a coloring book with the following theme. And I'm just going to be adding my theme. And over here we have different options that we can just go ahead and adjust. So we have the idea should be original to understand, appropriate for the target audience. So as you can see over here we have different categories of audience that we can target. So I'm just going to keep it for teens. So I'm just going to go and delete this part. So I'm going to delete from here to here. And then we just keep teens. Over here, we also have the style for our book. So I'm just going to keep it in mandalas because we already have. And we can even go and mix it with bold and easy mandalas. So I'm just going to go and keep these two. And as the last part, we have give me at least 80. You could say even 50. Or the amount of ideas that you want. I would recommend you that you make always more than 40. So if you're going to make 80 pages on your book, you also have 10 ideas that you can choose from. And you can go and adjust anything that you need on this prompt. And I'm just going to go and let it write it. So here we have the 50 mandala coloring book pages with AI prompts and affirmations. And we have over here highlight that is a teen edition. And as you can see, we have all of our affirmations and I can start with the creation of this book. So now I'm just going to go and I'm going to grab my prompt. So as you can see, we have this, the prompt, and we have the affirmation over here. So what I'm going to do is just go paste my prompt into Dzine. And we can create our first coloring page. So over here, we already add our prompt. We can even go and use prompt improver from Dzine so we can make it better. We already choose our aspect ratio, but you can go and change it over here if you want to get a different one. And now we can go and create our coloring book page. And I'm just going to click in generate. So as you can see over here, it generates our mandalas. And what I really like about Dzine is that we can even go and generate some variations. So I really like it the number 2 and I would like to go and make a variation of this one. And over here, I got one that is very nice and I really like it. Now, I know that you might be thinking, but won't AI generated content look generic? Well, let me show you some examples. These aren't generic at all. They are unique, beautiful, and perfectly done to what I asked for. Plus, I can always add my own creative touches to combine elements to make it even more special. And to do this, you can only go download it. So I'm just gonna go click in download, open any designing tool like Kito, and you can go and adjust it over here. So I'm just gonna go click new project. And then over here, just upload the image that we just have generated with Dzine. Over here, it's going to appear the Dzine logo, but you can just go and adjust it so it doesn't anymore. I can go and add the affirmations that ChatGPT suggested over here. So I'm just going to go, I'm going to click in text. I'm going to click in headline, or you can even go and add some titles over here. So I'm just going to go open share. So I'm just going to be using this text over here. I'm just going to click in on group. I think it looks very magical together. I think they look very good. So I can go open this and this. I'm just going to go and copy our affirmation. I'm timeless. And I'm just going to go paste it over here. And then we have the other part, like the universe. And I'm going to paste it over here. You can even make this smaller, so I would say something like this. And then we make it bigger, and we're just gonna adjust the line height. So I'm gonna make it in 20 maybe. So I think something like that works. What I'm gonna do now is just go and add a border. And now, so we make it also that they can color inside of it, I'm just gonna go and change the color of our text. And there we go, we have our first coloring book page. So as you can see, you can always add your creative touches and combine elements to make them even more special. Now we can move on into our second option, the image to image. So what I'm going to do is just go to the section of image to image. And from here, what we have to do is first of all, upload our image that we want to turn into a coloring book page. So I'm just going to be creating a coloring book page of myself. and I'm gonna add the mandala in the background. So you can go and mix these two strategies and generate an even more customized coloring book. So from here, I'm just gonna go and select the picture that I want to generate. I'm gonna open, and there we go. It already opened our image. Now from here, we're just gonna go and add our prompt. And for this, I'm just gonna go and use this prompt. Over here, you have to go and change again your style. So I'm just gonna keep the simple playful, and we can go and adjust the settings over here. So for the style intensity, I'm just gonna keep it the strongest. For the structure match, I'm just gonna also keep it in very similar. We need the color match and the face match. This is very important so it doesn't change my face, and it also stays in black and white for our coloring book page. And now we can click in generate. And as you can see from my own picture, it gave me all of these alternatives. I think I like it the most, the number 4, and I also really like that we have the exact same option as last time. We have to generate a variation. And from this one is the number 4, so I'm just gonna go and click in generate variation of the number 4, and we can see what else we can get. And now, as you can see, we have these 4 options, which I absolutely love. This one is actually very cute. I think I really like this option for my new coloring book page, and you can keep doing this with the rest of your own pages. And I'm just gonna do exactly the same. I'm gonna go download it and then just add it into my Kindle design. Once you have created all of your pages and you have your complete coloring book, you can upload it into Amazon KDP. And if you don't know how to do that, I have a detailed video where I explain step by step how to do this process. So you can check it out in my description. In just 1 hour, you can create an entire 40-page coloring book in the niche that you pick. Before developing this system, this will have taken me weeks. I often hear people say, I'm not artistic enough to create coloring books. That's exactly why I created this system. My niche guide tells you what to create, and Dzine creates it for you. You don't need to be artistic. You just need to have a good taste and the ability to type what you want. I know that could be a bit overwhelming. Instead, you should try with the niches that are exciting for you the most. And the best part is once you understand the formula and you get comfortable with design, you could create variations and combinations. Here is what I wish I had known from the beginning. This combination isn't just about what to create. It's about working smarter and not harder. And finally, you know what the biggest game changer has been? The confidence this system gave me. Before, I was constantly second guessing myself. Is this good enough? Will people like this? Am I wasting my time? But now, when I sit down to create, I know I'm working with improving niches that people actively search and buy, and with Design AI, I know my designs will look professional and polished. That confidence shows up in my work. My concepts are more clear, my books feel more purposed, and I'm not afraid to try new ideas. Now you might be wondering what these incredible resources cost. When I think about all the time I wasted before developing this system, this combination would have been worth hundreds of dollars to me. But I want to make this accessible to every creative soul out here. My 50 Evergreen Niches guide is incredibly affordable. And if you want to check it out, the link is in my description. And when you combine it with Design AI, you have unlimited creation power. Think about it. If these tools help you to create even one successful coloring book, they pay for themselves. And if you have 50 niches to explore, the potential is limitless. Here is something important. The coloring book market is still growing, but it's also getting more competitive. The creators who have both clear direction and professional creation tools are the ones who are going to succeed. Right now, you have the opportunity to get ahead of the curve. But the longer you wait, the more saturated some of these niches might become, and the further behind you will be while others are already creating their collections. So here is what to do next. Click the link below to get both Dzine and my 50 Evergreen Niches for Coloring Books guide. Pick your first niche this week and start creating with AI. Imagine where you could be in a few months with dozens of professional coloring books published across multiple proven niches. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.